Hey guys, my name is Elijah and in this tutorial I will show you how to add table in Trello. First go to your power-ups right here and then click on add power-ups. Now simply search for table and select tables and spreadsheets. So it will be this icon, click on add and then add right here. This will add this power-up to your Trello workspace and you should see tables and spreadsheets right here. So if you want, you can add your tables and you can come back. So close this and then simply go to Power Apps, and here you should see tables and spreadsheets right here. So you can always go here and use it however you like. So you can simply open a card and add a table right here. So you can add new table, copy from existing, or import. So let's say new table. You can enter the title of this table, color, and even icon. You can add column here. So just add columns, simply like so, and press save. Now as you can see, your table is created. It is really this simple. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.